One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Thank you very much.
May I say this?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How is that? Right, first of all, thank you very much for hanging around today. What a fantastic day we've had for Edinburgh Poppy Day. I think you're really going to enjoy this. This is Warriors. Del, tell us about what we're about to see and indeed hear.
Yeah, basically we performed at the Fringe this year and received 5-star reviews. It was one of the biggest shows that came out of the Fringe. It's a musical stage play production and you'll hear us singing, we're the band, the Fringe Platoon Band. But actually on stage obviously actors sing the songs. So don't expect perfection. But what we will do is after Mark's done his bit, before we do each song, we'll give you a quick 30-second synopsis of what each song's about, so you've got a rough idea. But I'm sure you'll be well entertained. It's popular music. Don't expect military type music or operatic. You're going to get rough, hardcore music now.
And Del, this is from the heart. This is from personal experience you're writing this.
Yeah, the whole story was started 10 years ago. I'm a serving officer in the army to present day. And when I wrote to London West End, Michael Grandage came back and said, we need to score music. So Danny and Peter there served 6 Scots with me. I was 1 Scots, and then we got together and then started writing all the music. And then but all the stories and all the songs are all true to heart and all have a personal meaning. It took 10 years to get to where we are now, and hopefully we'll get to the West End probably in London next year.
Fingers crossed for that. If you've enjoyed today, all the performers, we'd love for you to be able to donate to Poppy Scotland if you can, either by putting your money in the tin or going online to poppyscotland.org.uk and donate there. And remember, lots of events throughout the year as well. It's not just about today. Guys, we'll hand over to you. Here's Warriors, ladies and gentlemen. Another
get him out, but watch yourself get home. Get all of your ammo, all that you need. Your body armor, make sure it's clean. And all of your gum shakers moving out of the street. On the streets again. On the streets again. On the streets again. Thank you very much.
This next song is a part of the show when the guys get mobilised for Afghanistan, when they go out and they hit their first contact, and there's so many different things that go through their mind as they're trying to fight through. Quite a fast song, but it's all the things that happen to them. They're trying to fight through the firefight and get to the end. Hope you like it.
Thank you.
This next song's in a part of the show. Angie and Dale two of the main characters. Dale's describing about phoning home, and he's trying to write a letter, and his girl back home saying, "Look, don't write a letter, if you could just call me even for a minute, just for a couple of minutes, if I could just hear your voice." So that's really what this song's about, and Adele's be singing this song. Hope you like this one. This next song is when Dale's on the phone to Angie, and they're talking to each other as lovebirds do, and this is a message he gives to Angie.
Get your hankies out now.
This song a lot is about mental health, realising at home and abroad. And me and Danny wrote this song 26 years ago, just during this clemency at 3 in the morning drunk. So it's came to fruition 26 years later, but a lot is about the mental health of a soldier being deployed and actually recognise the spouses at home are suffering so much, and this is where the lyrics come from.
So in love with you, so far
us all to be strong.
And this next song is the usual thing. Soldier's going away on tour and he's talking to his young daughter, trying to describe what he's doing, where he's going, what's happening. So hope you like this one.
This is called Daddy Must Go.
Someday when the war is won, just think of me and I'll be home.
This next song's quite a funky song. This is one of the squaddies. There's a compulsory drug test, and he fails it, so he sort of goes off the rails. And that's what this song's about. This last song's just this one's called Flowers of a Soldier.
Flowers in the wind, flowers in the sea, flowers over land, flowers in your hand, flowers of a soldier, flowers where soldiers dare to fight for liberty, fight for you and me. And do not provoke me with impunity. Holding the line, we will stay free. Soldiers from the past to the present day, we will remember the price you paid. Power of a soldier in the midst of time. We must remember those who stood the line. Flowers of a soldier. Can it be right to send your sons and daughters, fathers, mothers to fight? And do not provoke me with impunity. Holding the line, we will stay free. Soldiers from the past to the present day, we will remember the price you paid. Flowers of a soldier in no man's land, had to fight for freedom, had to make a stand. Do not provoke me with impunity. Holding the line, we will stay free. Soldiers from the past to the present day, we will remember the price you paid. Flowers of a soldier. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, everybody.
Guys, thanks very much. Once again, please show your appreciation for warriors. Weren't they brilliant? And watch out because they're going places. Keep an eye on the social media. You've got a big Facebook page and following as well, Del.
Facebook pages and Twitter pages, so BFBS and Army Media are pushing a lot behind us, so you'll see us at the Fringe next year in a bigger performance and a bigger platform, and hopefully you'll enjoy what you've seen today.
Brilliant. Thanks very much. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming along. I know that some of you will be listening, maybe not through choice, but thank you for tolerating us in the offices and the restaurants around St Andrews Square, possibly down into Portobello, and hello down in Preston Pans as well. But it's been a fantastic day. The weather held out. Look, it's lovely now, isn't it? And remember, you can find out more about Poppy Scotland. Go online to poppyscotland.org.uk. And remember to listen to BFBS, the Forces station as well. We're here in Edinburgh. Get us on DAB Plus and 98.5 FM. Thanks very much. Enjoy the rest of your day. And it's last orders at the bar.
Alright.